Hello, my name is Katie, and I did my presentation on Morse code. Morse code, according to Merriam-Webster, is a system of sending messages that uses long and short sounds, flashes of light, or marks to represent letters and numbers. The codes are then transmitted as electrical pulses of varied length, or analogues, mechanical or visual signals such as flashing lights. And this is the alphabet in Morse code. The history of Morse code. The United States Morse code was invented in America by Samuel F.B. Morse in the 1830s for electrical telegraphy. It's also known as the American Morse code. A conference of European nations then made a variant in 1851. This just accounted for letters with diacritic marks. Some more about the history. International Morse code is simpler and more precise than the original. Unlike the original Morse code, it used dots and short dashes for all letters. The dashes are of a constant length rather than a variable length, and now it is the global standard. Uses for Morse code was in different wars like World War II, Korean War, and Vietnam War, just to be able to talk back and forth without them all being able to know what their messages were. And in this picture right here, this is the telegraph, and radio people also used it, and it just like decoded faster the information. And then shipping industries used it, and then the safety as in the seas, they used it until the 1990s. Is it still in use today? Not commonly. It's basically extinct. And people do use international Morse code, though, still somewhat, in the U.S. Navy intelligence specialist. And then some aviators still use it, and amateur radio operators also still use the international Morse code. And this is my citations. Thank you for watching.